Evil must be punished.
Are you all sitting down? I hope so. Because thanks to a stroke of luck, I don't know, I stumbled upon something. It seems that there's a planet out there. Its name is Eris, E-R-I-S. It's named after a Greek goddess. Now, you say, well, big whoopty shit, Vaughn, what does that have to do with anything? Well, it just so happens that Eris's elliptical path around the sun matches Nibiru's elliptical path around the sun, according to the ancient Babylonians and the Sumerians and the Phoenicians and all them other guys. And NASA has been aware of this damn planet since 2003. Now, how many of y'all, let me see your hands, where's my damn camera at? There we go. Let me see your hands. How many of y'all have heard about planet Eris? E-R-I-S, planet Eris. I hear crickets chirping. I hear crickets chirping. Uh-huh. Yeah, well, see, same with me. All right? And I'm going to try and make sure I leave you a link to the flight path of Eris, a.k.a. Nibiru, a.k.a. the planet of destruction, a.k.a. the home of the fucking reptiles. I will try to make sure I give you a link to the flight path so you can look at the flight path. It's big, it's red, and it's coming our way. Let me go. There's a page on Wikipedia about Eris. They call it a dwarf planet. I don't know if that's. I guess it doesn't really matter whether it's a dwarf planet or what. It's still coming our way. Okay, let me try and get to it here. Okay, it is a trans-Newtonian object, which is a fancy way of saying it's out beyond the Kuiper belt, and it's past Neptune. Alright, Eris' size resulted in its discoverers and NASA labeling it the solar system's 10th planet. This, along with the prospect of other similarly sized objects, say that 3 times fast, being discovered in the future, motivated the International Astronomical Union to define the term planet for the first time. Under a new definition approved on August 24, 2006, Eris was designated a dwarf planet, along with Pluto and Ceres. Alright, they're trying to make this planet out as not much bigger than Pluto. That's BS. Especially looking at the picture that I'm looking at, where it's coming our way, and even from a great distance, the damn thing's huge. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It's still coming, no matter what its size is. Eris was discovered by the team of Mike Brown, Chad Tugillo, and David Rabinowitz on January 5, 2005, from images taken on October 21, 2003. The discovery was announced on July 29, 2005, the same day as 2 other large TNOs, 203EL61 and 205FY9. In other words, they don't have names yet, they just got numbers. The search team has been systematically scanning for large outer solar system bodies for several years, and has previously been involved in the discovery of several other very large TNOs, including 5000 Quaonar, 90482 Orcus, and 90377 Sedina. Routine observations were taken by the team on October 21, 2003, using the 48-inch, 122-centimeter Samuel Austin reflecting telescope at Mount Palomar Observatory, California, but the object captured on the images was not discovered at that point due to its very slow motion across the sky. The team's automatic image searching software excluded all objects moving at less than 1.5 arc seconds. per hour to reduce the number of false positives returned. When Sedita was discovered, it was moving at 1.75 arc seconds an hour, and in light of that, the team reanalyzed their old data with lower limit on angular motion, sorting through the previous excluded images by eye. In January 2005, the reanalysis revealed Eris' slow motion against background stars. So what they're doing, ladies and gentlemen, is they're doing a shuck and jive on you. All right? They're not going to call it Nibiru because everybody knows what Nibiru is and that they're looking for Nibiru to come in 2012. So they're going to call it Eris, and that way everybody's like, Eris, what the fuck is that, you know? And they're not gonna think a thing about it until the damn thing's on top of us. Okay, but I'm telling you, the elliptic. I will link you to a picture of the path of Eris, and it's almost identical to Nibiru.